Hi guys, welcome back. So for today's quick update tayo what's happening on BidPay So as you can see, they update their UI on desktop. So it's a very good move And mapunta tayo sa futures. Bisitahin lang natin yung ating futures dito sa BidFi As you can see, I have ongoing position, OXT short, cyber short, lever short, Bitcoin and Ethereum going to long. Okay. So by the way, guys, BitFi offer up to 200x of leverage, which is quite good for scalper Kasi 200x you can make a good profit within a minute. So vice versa. So please manage your risk and manage for using leverage. And ang maganda dito sa BitFi, meron sila dito, as you can see guys, here on bottom left, you can see the network is stable. If your connection is poor, you can also see us here also. And the future updates, their social media, you can join guys onto their group, BidFi Filipino, English, India, Japanese, Indonesia, Vietnam, and Russia. And you can check also the announcements here on the bottom side of left, and how to contact online customer service. Just click this guy. As you can see, I'll already contact the customer support earlier, asking why I can't open a BLC position So ito yung binigay nila sa atin. So check natin guys yung announcement ng BidPay So let's go to the announcements. And as you can see guys, nandito na ako ngayon sa announcement. So ano nga ba yung announcement ni BidPay ngayon na pinaka latest and ongoing pa? So ang sabi dito, anti-fraud declaration. Kasi maraming gumagaya sa pangalan ni BidFi. There are so many impersonators using BidFi name. So mga fraudster, kumbaga fraudster sila. So ang sabi dito, recently we have noticed that some unscrupulous people are using the name of BidFi or its predecessor Bityard to carry out unscrupulous promotion and frauds. In order to protect your rights and safety, please make sure to visit our official verification channel or for confirmation when you receive any message offer related to BidFi o kaya naman i-contact natin yung ating online customer service via cs@bidfi.com. You can email guys this. And sabi dito, BidFi only has the only official website, bidfi.com guys. So make sure guys, please double check as always, bydfi.com. And mai-download naman niyo siya sa Play Store. And so please don't trust download files from unknown sources. So be careful guys, it might have a keylogger, trojan, etc, that kind of stuff. So make sure guys to protect yourself. And ang sabi pa dito guys, this is the light sorry ito. So ito sabi dito, light contract trading delisting notice So madidelist na si light contract sa BitPi, which is magfo-fully move na sila sa USDTM perpetual futures. Sabi dito, users will not be able to open new position and all trigger orders will be canceled at 9 a.m. on August 22nd. So, Singapore time siya. Singapore time pero same siya sa Philippine time. So, we have now 8 hours and 38 minutes left. Okay. Sabi dito, all unsettled orders will be systematically closed at 10 a.m. on August 31. Ano? So, automatic siyang magko-close. And lahat ng funds na hindi pa natatransfer galing sa light contract ay automatically mapapapunta sa ating spot by 10 a.m. on September 8. Users are strongly encouraged to review and adjust their trading strategies in advance of this change to prevent any unwanted outcomes, yung mga ayaw nating mangyari. Ano? So, while this may be significant change, we are equally excited to announce that BitFi will be introducing copy trading for USDT and perpetual contract. This new feature is coming soon. Okay, so pwede tayong mag-copy guys sa perpetual contract, ano? So, pwede siyang cross margin or isolated margin. And sabi dito, you should require further assistance or kung may tanong tayo or if you have any question, you can ask our online customer service team. O kaya naman, punta kayo sa Telegram. There are many admins in there. You can ask what happened on BitFi. If you have any question, just please ask me. I almost online 24/7. Not quite 24/7. Let's say 21/7. Ano? So, ano pa nga ba yung update ni BitFi, ano? So, eto naman yung pinakang update ano sa BLC. BitFi announced the suspension of BLC, which is the Blue Seal Finance USDT perpetual contract trading. So for now guys, at the moment you can open the on futures on BLC USDT pair, ano? Kasi meron pa silang ginagawang update dito. BitFi will update and lower the maximum leverage for BLC. It's also guys for your safety and risk management, para hindi tayo masyadong ganun masaktan, ano, pag mataas ang leverage natin. And let's check the other announcement, what's going on here on BitFi, ano. So guys, one thing anyway, please guys, join the ongoing trading competition which is happening on BitFi Army, ano. So visit natin BitFi Armies. Sorry, napapunta sa Facebook. Check lang muna natin ang position natin bago tayo lumipat. Okay pa naman. So lipat tayo sa Telegram. Here guys, this is the BitFi Army on board group. As you can see, if you want guys also to join here, make sure to join on BitFi Army group. I'm dropping also my link on the description, and once guys you join on this, please register to this specific link, ano. And after you register, please fill out this form. As you can, if you join here, you can see this form. So many messages in there. Please fill out this form guys. This is also you will need to become a official army, ano, here on BitFi. This is what I'm talking about guys, the trading competition. So what is the prizes, ano? So what is the prizes if you win this competition? Let's check this photo. Ang sabi dito, Army Trading Competition, ano. So first na pinakang kailangan natin, which is the number 1, complete KYC. Ano yung complete KYC? Kailangan po natin na i-verify ang ating account. We need to verify our account in order for us to participate on this VidFi Army trading competition. And sabi dito sa number 2, itong number 2, sabi dito, user whose cumulative transaction volume of personal perpetual futures exceeds 1 million can participate in the ranking. Sabi dito, if you guys have a personal perpetual contract volume na umabot ng 1 million volume, so if you reach the 1 million volume, you can participate guys on this event. Okay, at the number 3, sabi dito, number 3, please fill out the application form within 24 hours after the event. Sabi, kailangan nating fill upan yung application form within 24 hours bago matapos yung event. So, bago matapos, kailan matatapos yung event? So, ito yon. Ito, event time is August 21st. This event actually started yesterday, August 21st, and it will last until September 3rd, 2023 guys. So we have more around August 2 weeks. Okay, this competition is run within 2 weeks guys. So ang sabi dito, VidFi reserves the right to interpret these terms and conditions. Okay, so ano yung premyo? Ito yung pinakaiintay. I know you want to win this guys. So first prize is so really huge amount of dollars. So first prize is $900 guys, $900. This can be withdrawn immediately after you win this reward. And the second prize is $500, and the third prize is $300. So guys, this is a very good trading competition. If you are trading on futures on another exchange, I suggest you to join here on VidFi and join to this kind of event. And what is the also ongoing promotion? Eto guys, VidFi Super Airdrop. So get rewards with BYD point on point center up. This feature guys is only available only on VidFi mobile application. So on PC wala pa siya, pero sa mobile makikita nyo to. And as you can see guys, there's a lot of tutorial here how to join on this kind of airdrop. So guys, 600 million Shiba Inu and hold BYD points to share in the prize. Also guys, if you join to this event, you can also win the iPhone 14. iPhone 14 guys. Okay, so as you can see guys, there's a lot of tutorial here, tutorial in YouTube. So there's so many videos. So let's go back to the VidFi again. As you can see, my position is going to win. This is not financial advice. I'm not endorsing my position, so please manage your risk and your trading. So punta naman tayo dito. So guys, i-quick review na din natin dito sa VidFi. So eto sabi dito, create VidFi. Ito nga pala guys yung welcome rewards. If you register on my link, this is the welcome rewards you can get. The sign up reward, complete KYC guys to get mystery box, and set your Google 2FA anti-phishing code. Join community guys, please click this icon if you want to join on VidFi social and groups. And fifth first deposit reward with Bangsha, no? So guys, if you have a Bangsha debit card, you can use Bangsha or Transact or Mercurio to get this reward, ano? And first crypto deposit, guys, if you register on my link, and if you deposit $300, guys, you can get 30 USDT perpetual coupon immediately after you deposit $300, because you will receive 10% of your deposit. So max 30 USDT perpetual siya sa, so $300 yung required, ano, para makuha mo yung ma-maximize mo yung reward. So punta naman tayo. I will show muna my UID. This is my UID. 360 yung last number. So okay guys, so may asset, as you can see, I have $213 on spot. I plan to buy Bitcoin. So guys, here on Bitbuy you can also buy Bitcoin, ano. So for me, let's go to 1 day time frame. So as you can see guys, here on spot, Bitcoin remain this price level, the 26,000 to 24,920. So guys, this, I'm not sure if this good buy, but as you can see, Bitbuy return to its support level, ano. So support level yan guys, kasi kita nyo mo dito, bounce here, bounce here, bounce here. So I'm expecting this area is a good for Bitcoin to buy, okay, buy. Bakit? Kasi if it's go low here, it's okay, and if low here, but if you wait, if you are long term guy, you can wait for Bitcoin to up like this, and up here on until bull run, ano. So you can make a huge profit. So that's it guys, this is the tutorial for today. Hope you like my video. You can suggest or ask me about Bitbuy anything, I will answer those guys, and I will also create a video for that specific topic. So yun lang, thank you guys, and happy good night to you all.